Hello everybody, welcome to Just Upright. My name is Doc Jing Ruder. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and I'm your foreign educated physical therapist guide to US application. So I hope you guys are doing great. So what we're going to talk about today is about the working visa. So H1B working visa, this is one type of visa that the employers or agencies use to petition for an educated physical therapist. Okay, so this is one of the most sought after type of visa for healthcare professionals. So the competition is fierce. There is what they call registration process, and everyone who were registered, okay, the applicants who were registered by the employers or agencies will be drawn in a lottery system, okay, and so it's only if you get picked, then your application for working visa will be processed, okay. So it is very important for you to understand what are the do's and the don'ts with regards to the working visa, what is allowed and what is not allowed, okay? So this is what we're going to talk about. Stay tuned because this is really important, okay? This is an update from USCIS, and so that you will understand your chances of being picked and what you should not do in order for you not to be approved with a working visa, okay? Coming right up. Are here at the website of Visa Nation, the US immigration law. Okay, so this is my go-to website when I have questions about the visas. You know, they have articles that are reader friendly, easy to understand, unlike other websites that are very technical and very hard to understand. Okay, so this is where I have the reference, the USCIS ban on multiple H1B filings for one beneficiary by related employers. Okay, so as we go down here, okay, so we can see here the existing H1B rule states that one employer can submit only one entry for a beneficiary into H1B lottery. Multiple H1B filings are not allowed, okay? Conversely, an H1B employee, okay, conversely, it says an H1B employee can have multiple job offers from different employers and more than one entry filed that way. Here, bar on multiple H1B filings. An employer may not file the same fiscal year more than one H1B petition on behalf of the same alien or applicant if the applicant or alien is subject to numerical limitations, as this section states, okay? USCIS believes that related entities, so these are the related entities, the parent company, subsidiary, or affiliate may not have legitimate business need to file more than one H1B petition on behalf of the same applicant or alien. USCIS may issue a request for additional evidence or notice of intent to deny or notice of intent to revoke each petition. If any related entities fail to demonstrate a legitimate business need to file an H1B petition on behalf of the same alien, all petitions filed on the alien's behalf by the related entities will be denied or revoked. Okay, so just to recap what we have read, okay, what is not allowed, okay? So for example, I am the applicant and I met an employer. They say they're gonna file me a working visa, okay? So, and this employer have many other companies, okay? So for example, let's say the name of your employer, the name of the business who's gonna file you a working visa is a rose company, but he also owns the orchid company, and he also owns the sunflower company, okay? So these are sister companies, okay? So the employer told you, okay, for you to have a higher rate of getting picked for the lottery, I have 3 companies. I'm going to file your working visa under these 3 companies, okay? That is not allowed, okay? Because technically it is owned by the same person, different name for the companies. So this is what they mean, that if that is not fair, because it increases the chance of an applicant to get picked in the lottery. Okay, and the applicant was filed by the same employer. Basically, it's either the parent company or the sister company or related company or an affiliate company. Okay, so just to increase the chance of the applicant to get picked in the lottery system. So USCIS is cracking down these companies who actually petition one applicant under different name of companies but the same owner. Okay, related companies or related entities. Okay, this is what they call not allowed. Okay, this is not allowed under the rule of the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. So what is allowed? So as we read before, in the first part of reading the article, what is allowed is I am the applicant, okay? I met an employer, okay, from, for example, New York, and the employer said that he's going to petition me with a working visa, okay? So the employer's name is All Time High Company, for example, okay? So then you met another employer, okay? For example, the name of the company is All High Opportunity Company, okay? And that is a different owner. It's not related with the first employer, okay? And they are willing to petition you too with a working visa. And you met another employer, All Star Company, okay, for example, totally different employer, not related with those 2 employers, and they're also willing to petition you with a working visa. Okay, so you have to remember, as a foreign educated physical therapist, you have to have the license, okay, the U.S. physical therapy license before anyone can petition you with a working or immigrant visa. Okay, they cannot petition you if you don't have a valid U.S. license. Okay, and they cannot petition you without the valid healthcare worker certificate. Okay, or the visa screen certificate. So the healthcare worker certificate, you can get that from Type 1 review for immigration through FCCPT, or you can get the visa screen certificate from CGFNS. Okay, so those are 2 major requirements that you should have in order for an employer or an agency to petition you. Okay, so what is allowed based on the article and based on the rule of USCIS is that different employers that are not related to one another, separate entity, okay, they can petition you, okay, with a working visa. So you can have an entry with different employers. What is not allowed is the same employer with multiple companies using the name of those companies to petition you to increase your chance to getting picked in the lottery. Okay, so I know it can be confusing at times, but that is the rule of the USCIS right now. Okay, so you just have to be alert and vigilant. You have to know what the employer or the agency is doing for you, so that you would know if they're doing something illegal or if they're doing something legal, and what are your options as a foreign educated physical therapist. So just like what I said in my previous videos, okay, if you are already licensed, you are a priority of the employer. If you're not yet licensed, they're not gonna prioritize you. They won't be able to petition you because you don't have U.S. physical therapy license. Okay, And then it will be a lot faster process if you already have the healthcare worker certificate. Okay, so I hope, guys, that is helpful for you to be aware and knowledgeable about what is acceptable, what is allowed per USCIS regarding the working visa or H1B, and what is not allowed, and what are your options are as an applicant. Okay, please share this video to anyone you know who are wondering about working visa. Share it on your social media, and also if you have not subscribed yet, I would really appreciate you clicking that subscription button, because it will help me reach as many foreign educated physical therapists around the world to help you guys live your dream to live and work here as a physical therapist in the US. Also hit the like button. It will really help boost the channel a lot. If you have personal experience with working visa application and you want to share it with me, put that in the comment section below. And also I have a free ebook that I'm giving away. That is the master list of 50 states where there's a general information per state, their contact information, the website where you can find the requirements, if they require TOEFL, they require fingerprinting, background checking, etc., and what credentialing agency they accept per state. Okay, so that is a very useful ebook, and I really worked so hard for many hours to try to organize that 50 state information for you guys, so you can download it for free. Now, if you need help with understanding the step-by-step process with US application from start to finish in a fast forward manner, just sitting for a few hours and having a clear understanding and avoiding the expensive mistakes, okay, and delays and frustration, USPT Turbocharge is available 24/7 online wherever you are in the world. You can access it, and it will really help you understand the process. Okay, and also check out my other master classes that are available online. I have a master class for you to understand the different types of visas that you need to apply and work here in the US. I have dynamic documentation for physical therapy evaluation master class, clinical decision making, USPT golden approach and strategies, so you can win the heart of your patient and do the techniques, increase the toolbox, okay, of your skills, so that when you come here, you start your process. So while you're working here, you have more tools, and you will increase your confidence and competence as a physical therapist in the working world, in the therapy world. Okay, and also I have like simple masterclass for PT documentation, daily documentation, progress note, discharge summaries, and updated plan of care. So all of that, all the links will be down below. Let me know what you think about this video. If you have any other video suggestions, just let me know and put it in the comment down below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until the next video, stay blessed.